In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Cuphead with controller on PC. It's a quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you obviously need to have a controller to play Cuphead with a controller. So I will connect my controller, and you need to connect your controller to your computer. Okay, so I already connected. Now you can see that I joined as player 2. So to play with just player 1, click Exit to Title. You will come to this page. Now you need to use your controller to click to play. Okay, so press Start with your controller, start again. And you will play with your controller on Cuphead. Okay, if you are playing with player 2, you need to make this. And now you can play Cuphead with controller on PC. I hope I help you how to play Cuphead with controller on PC. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us full tips.